Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that could revolutionize your nights and transform your morning's magnesium oil spray. If you've been struggling with restless nights, insomnia, or just want a more restful sleep, stick around. This info might be exactly what you need. So what's the deal with magnesium and sleep? Magnesium is a crucial mineral for our bodies. It's involved in a whole bunch of processes like muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, and bone health. But it also plays a huge role in sleep quality. Many people are actually deficient in magnesium, which could be contributing to their sleep issues. Think insomnia and restless leg syndrome, or RLS for short. Now let's talk about magnesium oil spray. Despite the name, it's not actually oil. It's a solution of magnesium chloride in water that you apply directly to your skin. This method bypasses the digestive system, making it an efficient way to boost your magnesium levels, especially if you have digestive issues with oral supplements. Okay, so how does magnesium help with sleep? First up, muscle relaxation. Magnesium can reduce muscle cramps and spasms that often disrupt sleep. It's also a lifesaver for those dealing with RLS. Next, it plays a role in neurotransmitter regulation. It helps regulate GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and drowsiness. It even helps regulate our circadian rhythms, those internal clocks that tell us when it's time to sleep and wake up. And let's not forget stress reduction. Magnesium can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, making it easier to relax and fall asleep. So, how do you use magnesium oil spray? It's pretty simple. You can spray it anywhere on your skin, but applying it near hair follicles might enhance absorption. Some folks even spray it on their hair and massage it in before bed. For those with RLS, applying it directly to the legs can be especially beneficial. Regarding dosage, it varies by product and brand. The general guideline is to follow the instructions on the bottle, which usually recommend between 5 to 20 sprays per application. Keep in mind, the FNB provides recommended dietary allowances for magnesium, so you might want to check those to ensure you're not overdoing it. But remember, good sleep hygiene goes hand in hand with any supplement. Establish a consistent bedtime routine, create a comfortable sleep environment, and avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol before bed. Regular exercise helps, but not right before bed. White noise can mask disruptive sounds, and limiting screen time an hour before bed can make a big difference too. And if you're looking for more ways to enhance your sleep environment, check out Magic Team Sound Machine Relaxing White Noise Machine. To wrap it up, if you're tired of being tired, magnesium oil spray might just be your new best friend. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on better living. Sweet dreams.